Is your home feeling uncomfortable, no matter what you set the thermostat to? HVAC problems can get worse fast. Your energy bills go up and comfort drops before you know it. The longer you wait, the bigger the repair. But don't stress. Help is always nearby. Get 24/7 nationwide HVAC support, wherever you are in the USA. We handle furnace cleaning and repair, AC servicing, replacements, and full troubleshooting, fast. Call +1 888 692 0652 right now for immediate help. That's +1 888 692 0652. Quick, reliable, and ready whenever you need us. Don't wait. Your comfort is just a call away.